Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, add your Touch ID, and then you should go to your settings section, tap on it, scroll down to notifications, and then you should tap on the buttons that you want to turn on, such as app, clock, partner, and encouragement notifications. But first you need to go to your phone settings and allow the application to have access to your notifications. So scroll down until you find the application Nomo, tap on it, click on notifications, tap on allow, go back to the app, and then you will be able to turn on these notifications. So just simply tap on the relevant buttons, and basically that's it. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.